floor should provide walls with lateral restraint. Without it, the comparatively thin walls, which are not designed to be freestanding, would buckle and bulge. Once movement has occurred, drastic remedies may be required. This old house has a number of iron ties running right through the property to the party wall. There are also steel straps at the corner of the building to tie the front and flank walls together. In modern construction, adequate restraint is provided if the joists are built securely into the internal leaf of the cavity wall. The joists will form a relatively good bond with the blockwork. However, if hangers are used, some form of lateral restraint is necessary to stop the wall from moving outwards. The easiest method is to use restraint hangers. These are required every 2 meters, which in practice means every 4th or 5th joist. Where the joists run parallel to the wall, restraint is not so easy. It can be provided by metal straps running at right angles to the joists. The strap hooks over the inner leaf and extends over at least 2 joists. The hook prevents the wall moving outwards. Timber blocking provides rigidity. A shallow notch ensures that the strap does not project above the joists. These straps are again required every 2 meters.